Welcome to the STP Microsimulation. This simulation is designed to give participants an immersive experience in developing market strategies. We will go through detailed phases, including market analysis, strategic decision-making, and adapting to changing market conditions. The simulation focuses on key aspects of marketing strategy, such as understanding the market, positioning the product effectively, and adapting to new information and competitive moves. When we enter the simulation, we will see several tabs: Game Arena, Readings, Forum, and Leaderboard. Our first step should be to go to the Readings tab, where we will find the required reading material and a video tutorial. Next, we should visit the Forum. Here, we can interact with the professor either one-on-one or with the entire course. Lastly, the Leaderboard tab allows us to track our position at the end of each round and compare our performance with other participants. It is recommended to check the leaderboard and forum regularly after each round to stay updated on the simulation's progress. After this, we move back to the game arena to start making decisions in the simulation. Before making any decisions, it is important to understand the case and objectives thoroughly. We should begin by reading the information in the Introduction tab, the Market tab, and the Information Search tab. By analyzing the market landscape, including consumer demographics and industry trends, we will be able to make informed strategic decisions for successful market entry. The Food for Thought section will help guide our decisions by offering reflective questions. Answering these questions is required and essential for moving forward. Decision-making starts with Phase 1. In this phase, participants receive market outlooks and competitor positioning maps. Our main task is to make strategic choices about product features, pricing, promotion, budget, and services. These choices will directly affect the product's market performance. After entering our values, we scroll down and click on Phase 2 to continue. In the second phase, participants encounter a new market outlook that reflects the performance of their product from Phase 1. Updated competitor positioning maps are provided. Participants must decide whether to reposition their product to better meet market demands and improve profitability. Enter values based on your calculations and understanding before moving to the final phase. As the market landscape continues to evolve, participants receive feedback on the profitability of their product. After making adjustments from Phase 2, participants face new competitive dynamics and have the opportunity to adjust their product's positioning again in response to the latest market shifts. After making all decisions, visit the decision checklist to review your choices. If you wish to revise any decision, simply navigate back to the respective decision-making area. Once you are satisfied with your decisions, submit them by clicking Submit and confirm by selecting Save and Proceed. In the Report section, participants can access detailed insights into the financial impact, including cumulative market share, revenue, operating margin, and profit and loss. For each phase, evaluate the success and impact of your strategic decisions on product positioning and market penetration. The Synopsis section provides an overall summary of key decision areas and outcomes, helping refine future strategies. Good luck!